Alexa, turn it down too. Hopefully they didn't mute her. I can kind of hear it. Okay, so I am publishing, I think it was 39 pages to one of my niche sites. Um, I had previously been saying programmatically, but I don't know any coding. Everything I do uses no code tools. Um, so if you're a coder, if you're a developer, just know that I don't think that we're on the same ball field. I don't think we're not in the same arena. We're not even playing the same sport, really. Um, but I'm trying to figure out how to get this process a lot quicker, get it smoother, and get it cleaner. So I recently remembered that I know how to create templates using basically mail like merge tags in Google Docs. And I can create a ton of those docs really freaking quickly. But my bottleneck is getting this. Hopefully, I'll show you here. Is getting the content. So here, hopefully you can see this. It's switching screens back and forth, so I don't know if it's actually following it when I honestly I don't even go through it and edit any of the videos. I don't even know what it looks like in the middle of it. So let me know if these videos are complete garbage, and I'll figure out a better way to do it. But if you can see on this screen over here, it generates this doc, and I do it in such a way so that when I open it up, all I got to do is come in, press Control or Command A, Command C, copy it. So this one's for Kingston Springs, which isn't here on this side. Hopefully it's on this side. So I already did this one. So I got to exit out of this one. This is like one of the final processes. So here, I don't know how to pronounce this one. So let's do Control A, Control C. Then I'm going to bring you over here. I'm going to find it in this view that's right here. So I'm going to open it up, Control V, and as soon as I do that, it's going to filter it and take it to the next view, which if you can see over on the left screen right above my face, it says master needs content and created. It just says master list. The next one means these records need content, which I'm doing right now, pushing this in there. And then, of course, created. So once it goes into created, by that time, I know that it has the content in here and it has an item ID in here as a record, a Webflow item ID here as well. And it's also, it's actually an existing one in Webflow. I have that created automatically through this one. So I'm having to create a zap every single time, like for every single project. So I'm getting closer to getting one that's going to be like kind of evergreen. I would like an evergreen zap that can go in, I can customize it, and it does X, Y, and Z. But I got to figure out what X, Y, and Z are first. So basically, I know I want it to create a record, or I want it to originate from a record in Airtable. It creates a document. I have it create an image in Banner Bear. It goes and puts that image into Airtable. I have it wait for a minute. I don't really know if this is necessary. I have it wait for just a minute to kind of let everything calm down and see if it needs time or whatever. And then it creates an item in Webflow, and then it goes back and updates that same record in Airtable so that I have that existing item ID in there. And then once I have these filled up, so I have, I have 19 more. Perhaps I could just go, oh, nuts. Okay, so I'm going to click over here. Hopefully that Hermitage one, I don't know how to pronounce it, so don't crucify me. So it's in here. It's good. There's content. I just got to exit out of it over here. I'm doing this in Google Docs, of course. So I'm not sure. Greenbrier, didn't I do that one too? Oh, here we go. I'm not sure what a better way is to organize it. So I just need to have like setting up triggers and whatnot. So just by doing this, I will be able to, oops, I'll be able to figure it out. Now, damn it, where did I go? I scrolled over too far. Oh, it's the green one. Okay, right here. Okay, Greenbrier, Control A, just grab the whole thing. Oh, that is a major bummer. Because it has an image on there. It's supposed to be right here. Fuck. I gotta figure out if you were watching it this far. I'm gonna wrap it up quick here. This is a bottleneck of mine. I want to be able to include the images and embed them in my content. So if I go over here for Greenbrier, these are both greens. Okay, Greenbrier. I have this image in here. I just want to include it in here because it's the most standard garage, like epoxy coating type deal. It's going to be the most relevant to the masses. So at least just put it in there for this project. Well, it doesn't show up like I showed you in my Airtable. I don't know how to get that in there because I need it. That's what then pushes it to Airtable, and that is probably one of my biggest bottlenecks. So if you're watching this and you know how to take care of that or help me out here, I would be greatly appreciative. So like here, that was the Greenbrier one. It's supposed to have the image like right here, right after the phone number, and it's not. That's a bummer, but I need the words to be. I need I need words. I'm not gonna fuck around with images too much. They help. They definitely do help because it just shows like diversity in your page, and the more features of an algorithm that you're using relevantly, of course, it's not that bad of a process. Like I could hire a VA to do this. I could hire anyone to do this really, and it's a good quality control point. So if there's like not like if something breaks, you can hopefully figure it out pretty quickly. What I was saying before. Anyway, yeah, but if you know how to put images or videos in there, that would be awesome. Let me know. Comment below. Hit me up on Twitter, email, however you like to communicate is good with me. Just no phone calls, please. All right. Love you. Bye.